Hi, welcome to another episode of Trini Bites. Today I'm going to make broccoli and chicken Trinidad style. And when I mean Trinidad style, I mean bandanya and pepper in it. So this is all the ingredients I have here. I have the broccoli, which is a head of broccoli here. 1 pepper, habanero pepper, 1 chicken breast. I need a piece of celery and a piece of carrot. We have the cornstarch, black pepper, salt, potato starch, sesame seed oil, and of course bandanya and some soy sauce. So I'll get started by doing the chicken breast. What I normally do, I cut it down the middle here. Press the side, and then we go like this to get the pieces very thin. Nice and thin like this. Now you can make a lot, or you can make like just for a couple people, but what I'm going to make today is like for 5 people. So I'm going to use the whole chicken breast, and my wife and kids love this, so they'll probably eat it all by tonight. Alright, so this is how I do this. So I'm going to wash the chicken now. I already cut it up into pieces. Normally I use lime, but today I'm going to use a little bit of vinegar. Mix him up a little bit. Vinegar also looks good, you know. Take out the freshness from the chicken. Or some people will say rank. But even all the sliminess one from the chicken with the vinegar. Lime does the same job too. Lime or lemon. Check that out. Nice and clean. And if you take a look at the wok, my wok is heating up here. This will be the first step in doing the chicken and broccoli. So the water is boiling now in the wok, as you can see. And I'll put the chicken in. I'm going to put a cover in and let it boil for 3 minutes so it can cook properly. If you like to wish Auntie Dan happy belated birthday and many more to come. Cheers. Cheers. Take one for us. So after 3.5 minutes, I'm going to take it out. Nice cooked. All is out now, so I'm going to put this aside and get the broccoli going. So I'll show you how to cut the broccoli up. Getting the broccoli ready now. It's a big one. And you cut it half down the middle here. Beautiful. Some people like the stem a little bit. A little crunchiness, so I can probably leave a couple of that in. Split. It's coming out nicely. Do one more. I was only doing half of the broccoli, but they changed their mind. I changed my mind because they want all the broccoli now. They say they love broccoli. Understand? So now I have to cut the whole thing up. So if you eat out all of this, then they should stop drinking. So I'm gonna do the celery stalk now. You don't have to put this, but I like it in the it goes well with the broccoli. Okay, so I got that stock in. Now I'm gonna do the carrot. Get that piece off, and that off there. And I'm gonna get pieces. Not too fat, you know, thin. So I have the carrots here, not much, but gives a nice color anyway. So the water is boiling, and this is what I'm gonna do. It's gonna be inside here for 1.5 minutes, no longer than that, in the boiling water. I'll lower down the stove, so let's get back to the temperature again. That's gonna boil here for 1.5 minutes. So for all who's asking, Grace was ill last week, but he's feeling much better now. Got his medication, and he's biting everybody, grabbing their hand, pulling everything, biting up everything. How are you doing, Grace? Say hi. He's okay now. Okay, so I'm going to take it out now. As I said before, 1 minute and 30 seconds. Still have to get a crunchiness in it. So if you let it cook for more than that, it'll get too soft. Guys, to try this at home. And don't forget, main ingredients, Bandanya, Trinidad style. Alright, so I'm gonna get the third part ready now, is to get the wok ready and get everything inside here and start cooking. So I'm gonna get the mixture going now. I need a little bit of water. So I got this amount of water here, just a little bit. Now toss the soy sauce in. This is potato starch. 1 tablespoon. Also 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Put the black pepper in there. Just a dust of the black pepper. And the salt as well. Salt to taste. Mix them all around. Okay, and that is good to go. So I'll get the wok ready now with the oil. Get the oil in. Use the olive oil a little bit. Side towards the meat in. Off here now. Get up in there. Put the bandanya in. We cook on low heat. Put a piece of habanero pepper in. And the mixture. Now toss the sesame seed in. Oil inside. I will drop all over. And here we go. Some water in there. So my kids like it with a little bit of sauce, so they can eat it with the rice. So I can also put a little bit more water there. And that's it. It's done. And I can take a taste from here. Let's just see if we have enough salt. Wonderful. So this is a finished product. Chicken with broccoli with bandanya and pepper. And I like it a little more spicy. So my wife made a lime pepper sauce. So I'm going to take a couple pieces of the lime pepper sauce with it. As you can see, this beautiful here. Coming very soon to a store near you. Okay, so let's go. First spoon, a piece of broccoli, chicken, pepper sauce, and let's go. Man, I can eat this every day. Great. Oh, and the greens. I'd like to give a shout out to Twilight Restaurant and Bar at 55 Nugget in Scarborough. Main intersection is McCowan and Shepherd. He has all different type of Caribbean, Chinese menus. And again, check his menu out at 55 Nugget. He has a patio, will be opening soon when the lockdown is over. And inside, very nice dining area. So again, Twilight Restaurant and Bar at 55 Nugget. Big shout out to him. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.